Hey y'all, today I want to take you to see Eagle's Nest at High Falls. Eagle's Nest was our second cabin to build. It is the perfect getaway for 2 people or 4 people. My favorite thing about Eagle's Nest at High Falls is the view. This is the family room at Eagle's Nest at High Falls. We jokingly say we were the original tiny house people. Actually, the 1800s builders of these cabins were the original tiny house people. At just under 1,000 square feet, we've packed everything that you need to enjoy a great vacation here at Eagle's Nest at High Falls. Just bring your personal toiletries, your clothes, and some food, and you're good to go for a day or a week or however long you decide you want to stay. This is our kitchen here at Eagle's Nest at High Falls. One of the things I try to do is take photos of all the cabins before we start any demolition or any renovation. I take these pictures and a lot of times I actually use them as part of the decor in the cabins. It not only adds a really neat look to the cabin, but it also helps explain the history of what the cabin was and what it is now. This is our master bedroom here at Eagle's Nest. I could have broken this space up and made 2 or 3 small bedrooms. The grandness of this master bedroom is one of the things that is so special about Eagle's Nest at High Falls. It's a tiny little house, but you still have plenty of room to spread out and relax. We had a custom bed made from old barn wood. It's a king size, it's beautiful, and it's very comfortable. You guys already know that I love stained glass. So I wanted to incorporate a piece of stained glass into this house. I found this amazing piece of stained glass. It was huge and it was way too big to put in any of the existing openings that were already on the outside of the logs. So we created a special place for this piece of stained glass. It's an inside wall, but we have a little trick that lights it up from the back. So when you're laying in bed at night, this can be the last thing that you see before you doze off to sleep. One of the things that's a little bit difficult on these old log cabins is adding the bathrooms in and trying to make them look like they were original to the cabins. In the 1800s, there was no indoor plumbing. So we try to take some things that may have been found in the 1800s. An old wooden dough bowl, maybe an old dresser, even a faucet that kind of looks like a water pump. We put these things together and try to make the bathrooms feel like they could have originally been here, even though they really weren't. Bustle of today's world says everything has to happen through the internet, computers, TV. Well, we've tried to strip all that back while we're here at Eagle's Nest at High Falls. We've created a small study space just off the master bedroom. So if you've got some time that you just need to come and sit and think, or maybe even read a good book, this is a perfect place to do that. Grab your coffee and come sit out on this Overlook Porch in the mornings. The sun comes up right over there. You can watch the most beautiful show ever created, God's creation. There's nowhere else that you can come and enjoy all of this beauty and all of this quiet all in the same place. We love Eagle's Nest at High Falls, and we invite you to pack your bags and come on.